the big Mahama. Ghana for Buta and said, where are the containers? You are the boss of ECG. Where are the containers? He insisted that the containers were at the port because they know what they do, because that is their strategy of making money. Breaking news, MPP for Akucha Eja Ato Eye EOCO.
It's not part of it, so what is happening? It's not part of it, so what is happening? It's not part of it, so what is happening?
So, Makacha Ghana Police Service, I have told the military, this is what they want to do tonight. That is the meeting. Nana B no Timbi. General Secretary, JFK no Timbi. Timbi. They want to cause chaos in the country. And I do around 12 to 1. The Molotov cocktail. The petrol ebegu bottles. The petrol go bottles more. Now the materials and entuma asha and no treja atum no matwato EOCO. So the police, we need a lot of reinforcement. Obi osa area obi ankoda. The Ghana military, the Ghana police make sure every single person around EOCO akoda. Nobody should be around there. Chairman Wontumi Il. He needs to sleep in there. He needs to be in there because Imrano Omo the right to say you need to be detained. Chairman Wontumi Il EOCO can process him for court. It will be to me say by force or someday Imrano Monsa. I am telling the Ghana military, I am telling the Ghana Police Service, the IGP, the CDS, me say the MPP went for a meeting. They want to burn down EOCO tonight and say enyo moi. They will first come on all the platforms and tell you, say, they apologize. The people who did that, they don't know where they are from. They are lying. And I agree on Beba TV, so on release this statement. On catch Ghana for say they don't know anything about what is happening. In fact, they have told all their members to go home. They are lying. Every single action on taken, they have confirmed or sanctioned the attack. And I agree they will attack EOCO. So the Ghana Police Service, the military, you should be on standby and clock. The military and the police, be on standby. Be on standby. Omo boys are from the Blue Army. They are preparing them to come and destroy EOCO. Ombe tuja, omeka se nyomwa. Media makano crash them. Now, mome yenye ejumebu waha. Yejinem, now, mukai sa papa way. This is the beginning of their chaos. Nanado dankwe kufuadu kumi prekum.
Clearest possible way, the widespread dissatisfaction in this country with their economic policies. Most of the people on this march, 90% of them don't have jobs. As far as we're concerned, that's the issue. Jobs and bread for the people of Ghana. And we think it is time that the government began to fashion policies that address the needs of the people of this country. And that's what we want to do. And we're doing so by a very successful, peaceful demonstration that shows the
yeah. Only so nyansa egu for no. No tan. Nanado danko egu for kumi preku wo nsama na oka. Na nkwasi afọ gu echire. We do tibrofo onim nyansa yanya the president. We na mbema papa ni Goliath. I akwadi etia so so Goliath. We what egu for na no ne wisra no set trap. Musango tie di biem. Kumi preku nkwasi akeka na bi nie. Ya kambo yetumufu abonte almost had the Bawumia and Kennedy Agyapong ba abodafo gwa.
Clearest possible way, the widespread dissatisfaction in this country with their economic policies. Most of the people on this march, 90% of them don't have jobs. As far as we're concerned, that's the issue. Jobs and bread for the people of Ghana. And we think it is time that the government began to fashion policies that address the needs of the people of this country. And that's what we want to do. And we're doing so by a very successful, peaceful demonstration that shows the
I saw a gala. And it's about people and a Ghana and the satisfaction and the demonstration of what in Kwasam Kwa of what in Obwa. And I know that because MPP for them don't go school. Send your child, take your girl child to school. Mama Fanny Kosiku and Mama Kwa we way or better dam or 8 years we know we did it. Hey, way or shall space echo or the Nyanson and the brilliant saying and the people I'm telling you and the demonstration and the ena kakra agovera mutama man ma no bo do ade ayemo ono okọ omo sa de akwa we ba we so no beso mo de ne ba.
But problem na ewo ho no ewo ya NPP ye vote because we share NPP vote no we had a decline in our vote about 4 by 2.1 million relative to 2020. It is a 2.1 million ankotoaba. Now Osha John Mahama Odi Kunim with 1.7 million votes. 1.7 million. Echirese ankaya nipa 2.1 million no anka omobatu abano amaya ankaya di kunim easy hands down. Easy hands down. So election no and NDC no win election no. Yeah MPP na yeah lose election. Because ankaya nipa ya sorry betu abano maya aka yebedi. But Osha data no musua. Now who say Dudua Omwantu Abano na Omo 6 regions in Ghana. 6 regions no accounting for 84% of the 2.1 million. Omwantu Abano. Greater Accra region 571,000 Ankoto. Almost every constituency in the country, na here. Nipa Nkotoaba, from Axim to Zebila, the whole country. Nipa Nkotoaba. O the police station executive to run Nipa Fee said, Omonkotoaba, Omose, say Monamoko TV, no, Monamoko J Frank, Omonkotoaba. And yes, I'm here. By 1 p.m., many police stations no not empty.
We see the kind of analogy. One, we try to say 1.7 million difference, 1.8 200,000. 1.8 million. Yefe no tunchen. Bawumia smoke catch MPP for no say. Abane ekoto ye no. Nipa 2.1 million na eyo omunkofo no omunyina na omada. He knows for a fact to say sa nipa 2.1 million no omunyina ye MPP for o san komotoma MPP. Ono onim data ne kachire no. Inti nipa 1.8 no mutuma Mahama no senka omu 2.1 million ne beto ya nka John Mahama when win election no kwasi afode to bobu nsem. Street economics ni bi ni o. Ai o ton tomatoes me ansa de den ya obenya 2 series. Sa economics ni bi na all the politics no. Na muti wo baba o me abeka kire wo say nipa 2.1 million and toaba. Sa 2.1 omu nyina ya PP4. Ba ku poni wo beto eti LPP. Na mutete wo mu bom nsem data bank mu ejibi. She story bi ode momo. She kind of analysis bi ode momo. Inti technically yen lusu aba no yen kofo nkwa inti na NDC for so o hwe mu data mu a omu nipa 1.8 so ama ameto aba wo. Ana because o hwe de ekona NDC for so nipa be 1.8 million omu so ma abontina ameto aba. Inti si ade yekoche 2.1 no ya omu NDC 1.8 and also 1.8 na ka say there's no way you make sense. Because you are telling the people, say, NDC and win election, it is because we won't call for a P. NDC for some to catch us, almost when you call for you better abano. Into no so call for 3 million be almost almost no now at the Kudinto Metro because someone say NDC be winning. So they felt to say, oh, the power is already gone. NDC be winning into almost one twaba. Have you considered those people? Into Bawumia Besoka Chen people for say, Obia one twaba or Ghana be MPP ni. Nankwasi afone to obo munsem. Message when I would power. We'll lose election by 1.8 million gap. This is your explanation. This is what you want us to look at and say 2028 Yamamedi president. Pele. Makacho se Bawumia is a liar. Hey, onim economics biao. Bawumia onim se MPP for unko school. Majority of MPP for 90% omun ko school muma. They cannot read, understand, and use their common sense. Yeah? There is school and there's common sense. MPP for Nankasano, because of politics and tribalism, they have decided not to use the common sense. They are always using a friend of party sense. Into their party, how can you lose elections with 1.8 million gap? Ebin Sida. 2016, Mokasana Danekufuado LED with 900,000. John Mahama Abba back Abba double number 9 1.8 million. Where the flag bearer almost 8 years. Where the vice president 8 years, 16 years. You can the longest serving a politician when you power Ghana Samira Bawumia. 16 years. In the NPP, you probably when you're privileged to enjoy a autocracy. Or then who Asha party so for 16 years. It is you. 16 good years. You have been the leader of the NPP. 16 years. You are still telling them, say, oh, the abysmal performance they've been seen. Majority of the people who voted for Kufuor in 2016 voted for him because of you. So be say Kufuor onim nyansa. With all due respect to Rastafari onim and I say omo onim and you be onim nyansa. But no be say Kufuor ono a drug addict. No be say Kufuor does not have the knowledge to rule. And internal message from 2012 to 2016 was that Bawumia is the economic wizard. He knows economics. On him how to situate the economy. In 2012 to 2016, from 2012 to 2016, Ghanaians didn't care about who speaks the best English. Ghanaians thought that we were going to get a leader who could change the economic fortunes of the nation. So all the symposium and lectures you were given, people believed, say, oh, was some magic touch, the president, the dollar will stay at 3.8. We gave power to you for 8 years. Where Jimmy Kurado keep the dollar at 3.8. We gave power to you. You, the same person, told us to say, you introduced 33 policies in the history of Ghana. Politicians be introduced here. What did we get out of 33 policies? And then the cathedral, and then the GDP in the roofs over 100%. And then the Galamsey, and then the Bank of Ghana running into losses. And then the inflation hitting 57 over. You are not capable of doing this job. You are daft. And the MPP, the better they tell you, and the earlier they tell you, the better for them as a political party. You are empty. You are flat. You are only lying to the base who are not smart. The ignorant base who are just committed to party and have refused to use their common sense. There's a difference between common sense and book knowledge and as a party sense. Majority of the people following Bawumia, they are following a party sense. They have left the common sense behind. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you basically making Ghana for say you are not intelligent enough to lead? What kind of analogy and analysis is this? How can you sit and say 2.1 million people or Ghana no MPP for? And the NDC for about Munya no call for 1.2 so and to about. Into Munya so about 2028. What will you tell the people? It means you don't have any message. It means you are lying to them. It means your failure, you don't know what to do to explain to them. You are flat. You are flat. And when I say you are flat, you don't have oxygen in your head to think about something better to tell the people. You are flat. Now look at this. This story is a very important story. Here we be story day. And John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic, about 10 o'clock exactly in Ghana. On YouTube, we are doing 12,556. On Facebook, we are blowing the numbers. On radio, we are all over the place. On TV, we are doing over 4.2 million eyeballs. We control the numbers because the facts. Now, John Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, say we have significantly reduced our debt by 150 billion over the last 5 months. Into last time you explained it, and John Mahama kasa PZ for muntie bro for no kano. Or say, Bosumi enumia omobedi Ghana nimno, eka na edaho, eka bochia ekufuado ne Bawumia mo boto wo, kene de Agyapong mo je contract edi sika gu mu a, eka ebeda ekomu no. Bosumi enumupe. John Mahama say on emphatically or say now by no etumati Ghana eka eda ekomu no, omate so 150 billion. When you say now the take so the only way about to us to say ubetumi ama uksidi no emu aye den na ho aye den na Bank of Ghana no when you be different reserves and to be gold reserve and also dollar reserve. Recently we were told say there were about 10.6 billion reserves egu Bank of Ghana. Now the economy is doing well, so a kabia ne a day in dollar, which $1 is equal to 17 cedis then, no. Today, a kabia ya dibiano, because of our currency is strong, no. Sa e kana na e strong in dollar, no. And what then I perform into right now, near the 10 Ghana, and now $10 5 months ago, and the $10 bium. We is at $10 and first no, Kabenya ebia 170 Ghana, and the we is at $10 now, unya 170 Ghana, meaning a kana ya deno sa e kana perform. Into the way the city is appreciating her. You to me a save sika. And neither John Mahama catch him say city to me appreciate it, and I say it stays where it is. Now say it to me a consistent. Now you to me a very smooth sailor. It means say 5 months biana say dollar ni jina be 10.35 cry. It means the next 5 months no, sa 150 billion no, we will drop again into your benya your debt so be 300 billion cedis. That is how you build a nation. So you try to get a lot of reserves, and then when you get a lot of reserves, we take a one na dollar na would chia a kano dollar na one demba form no now we seek an 8 me to more. Into right now no first link you one city bia say you require kutia ya car na you tia de you $1 bia say kutia car na you tia a 17 Ghana cedis. And you $1 say kutia car say ye cidia you be a 10 cedis near the kutia $1. First near you 17 cedis near the tia $1 car. Intia di obika $1 or UK. Ghana di obika $1 or US. Sa abani kotia na abano Ghana 170 Ghana 170 and 17 Ghana cedis bia no de tia $1. And I could forward ne Bawumia. Na ye 17 Ghana cedis bia ne de tia $1. Remember, sa 17 Ghana cedis no interested us. So technically, we are paying about 19 to 20 Ghana cedis for $1. And the John Mahama mobile bemuno 5 months and we a 10 Ghana a $1, meaning sa 7 cedis na dasuna echo almost 9 cedis no. John Mahama the 5 months we year through. That is how yenya 150 billion a year a car yetumiako. If it runs like this consistently, it means in a matter of a year or two, and I said before we exit the IMF program, no, now yetumi I exceed the expectations of the IMF, and this is basic economics and basic governance. Anytime we catch Ghana for say, you don't have to move away from what this government is doing. We need to support it. They are going to make mistakes, of course. This is a big government. There are thousands of people about together to form a government. We have agencies, we have deputy CEOs, we have people who Mahama did not even appoint, who are going to be appointed by somebody who was appointed by Mahama. And so one way or the other, somebody is going to make a mistake. So mistakes are bound to happen. But mistakes that are bound to happen. Is the government still focused? Is the eye still on the ball? The okasa obeyno or yeah. Dollar no wama anwadena konform or create nyuma or yeah kwine abani dino kre. Those are the bigger pictures you look at. It's not the small mistakes the government makes. Into an big general guy say, oh, Ablakwa assembly into unresigner with Jimmy. We are looking at the job of Ablakwa. A Juma ben or yeah impact ben a Ghana Funya. So impact na Ghana for no so Chinese mistakes are then we will stick with Ablakwa to make sure say the Ghana for hiano and no yensaka finito. Into John Mahama aya economics no any governance no easy for you Ghanaians. We have to help him to help us, and the only way we can help him to help us is to make sure we believe in this government and believe in him. We have to believe in this government and believe in John Mahama, the policies. That is the only way that the NDC can bring back the Ghana we want. Right now, the resetting is on, and we are seeing the effect. We are seeing the positive effect. We should not kid with ourselves. This is the new Ghana. Every single businessman is refreshed. Obia enya confidence. Everybody is now open for business. People are confident today to put their money in the banks. Obi to kwanya kofanyoma ewo Japan about onsro because onimso ba kwa na be dollar no kwa eswate more. So so nti kwa be gina. That is what we call confidence in the system. Business confidence. Sanya feno confidence. And John Mahama the confidence naba inti edwumadi investors, businessmen, entrepreneurs, they have confidence in the system. They can pump more money into the banks. The more investors, to bank, the central bank, that is the Bank of Ghana, and the commercial bank, they also get money to run other businesses because the banks don't have money sitting there. it is businesses na this to bank na banks they are. So businesses now as a businessman need confidence or bank anymore. What they do is sometimes they convert their money into something else. Sometimes they can buy gold and ship it out, or they can just transfer their money to outside the country. Now, so when you say confidence now, what they do is they stay with their money in the country. And what they do is they invest in our country and then they put the money in the banks in our country. That is how the banks also make interest. Right now, a interest rate, the Bank of Ghana are dropping it from 30 to 28. Meaning, say, as time goes on, the interest rate interest form, it will also create room for a businessman to be able to borrow more. Because the more we borrow from government, the more the government makes money. The government makes money from the interest that we, at the end of the day, when we borrow money from them. So it is basically we intertwining. We all working together as a nation. We need to start building that confidence. And John Mahama, in 5 months, while here at 8 years, Nana Dankwe Kufuor, any Bawumia MPP could not do. It's going to be tough along the way, but we need to stick to the basics. We need to believe. We need to understand, say, this government has some good heart for us. And that is why today businesses are flourishing. That's why today we are all happy as a nation. Now look at the story. So our story was a very, very important story. And it's a story, it's about the ECG, Energy Ministry. And there may be questions to be. Team, stay with me. You may be some simple questions. Okay, so thank you very much, team. My team nom information be breme. And they are sorry and MPP for any aji ye gidigidibi. Gidigidi ni na saying, almost say, oh, ECG containers na you say na ayira no, and they say container no omohu. Now remember, a committee was put together to investigate the ECG containers. Now, the containers as we speak, from what we are hearing from the Ministry of Energy, and I said the Minister of Energy through their spokesperson, the initial number from the transition team was 3,000. The number put out by ECG was 2,500. And that is why these investigations are ongoing. Now, to retrieve all containers in the system, so far, we have traced 2,637 containers. Now, you can a transition team, time NDC Eba Power, no, MPP for no share energy, any ECG, so no, omni NDC for Tanasika say, a containers are away in Sema Yedema Muni, 3,000 into stadia, or say the initial number, MPP for catcher NDC for 3,000. Now, NDC Waba Power no moon said no, and do 3,000, 2,500 containers. Now, the minister has set up a committee. When the minister set up the committee did the report to Baba Catcher Minister and say, the containers, we cannot find some. Now, we cannot find some means it could be anywhere that we should be able to trace. Now, when you open investigations into stuff like that, you expect to say, the containers, baby, you find where the containers are. The containers, it does not have to leave the port to be stolen. So containers be port where somebody deliberately. There are so many agencies and our port services are you keep containers. Somebody can deliberately, Mr. S, get me the video. Did you get me the big video? What the MPP were doing was simple. How many containers in the bedroom? Maybe 7,000 or 10,000 or 2,000 containers for ECG. So a bedroom one place. What they do is they pick the containers and they spread it across the port. Now what they do is 2,000 containers. 200 around the it is at the port. 150 around the now their respective MPP for now they want to dupe us, because they cannot lift the containers one time from one holding place, they spread the containers around the port. But on the system, it will tell you that the containers are at the port. What will happen is when they split the containers like that, but it is all part of the 1,000 containers that came. Now the container, 200 containers, ama company C. Ninya port wo. Normal feature, no ko 10 wo. In this 10 containers, 10 companies, and a host 1,000 containers. They decide to take 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. Ubonsa oba corner so nyina short 10. But on paper, no, ECG has 1,000 containers at the port. So Udru Port why you will see say the ECG containers are all 1,000, but when you count, you will not see the 1,000 containers. But on paper, you will see say there are 1,000 containers at the port. And Nitina Dubik Mahama, or better join news on Mubusa and say, where are the containers? Now all catch Ghana for say the containers are at the port. He knew say the containers had been lifted, they have been spread at the port. They have their own people that manage all these things. Until Dubik Mahama was insisting, say, containers now, it has not been stolen. The containers are at the port. Meaning, on what they do. Now, you see, when they bring the containers, one ship in a deba. Now, the moment you make one ship, and now one agency, pick containers to one place, it will be difficult for you to go in and take 200 or take 300. So what the ECG were doing, Dubik Mahama and say, Omo obey 4, 5, 6 agencies. Say, oh, when you know a shipping companies at airport here, this one have space. Into me 200 ekipia we more space. Me 200 ekipia in this 5 companies are no be 200. On paper, ECG has 1,000 containers at the port. Now later no, now Omankasa Afric say company you 200 I'm going to 10 free. No masako ako yi 10 free. Until by the time you check, not 200, no, not 10 free, so 100 containers gone. But Ubusab Dubika, Wakacho say we have all the containers at the port. It is not missing. That is the investigation. Akoswa and the Emma committee na chief of staff, the national security, any omo kanika police, omo discover. Now the most interesting thing here, is simple. Mr. P, Mr. S, can you get me the Dubik Mahama video? Na minche Ghana for BB. That is why he was insisting. He was insisting during his interview. Joy News. Ghana for say, oh, the containers are at the port. Go to the port. You will see the containers. But he could not specifically tell you the container is kept here or the container is kept here. So you can see clearly say they knew what they were doing. They had a plan. And the plan was that they wanted to confuse you Ghanaians. Because, oh, containers no. But at the end of the day, containers in your coin you now my mention the AC. On say report in the buyer. The report said investigations were supposed to be conducted. Now I want to ask the Attorney General a simple question. Tell my committee near report no. Say the board, which was led by Afric Marking, this is the board. Women are not on more board of ECG. The leadership of the MPP now, no board so time and MPP power. Now, time a committee near report no, report say ECG board no, including the MD no, they basically said containers the 1 billion and the Accra containers edeba. Now, say also with the 1 billion at the containers eba. How did you end up spending 8 billion? That is the question majority of Ghanaians were asking. Say, now investigations now, Attorney General mo any Ghana, national security, the Attorney General needs to be asking the question. Say, then ECG board and the NPP, Eka say almost spending 1 billion to go buy equipment for ECG, but at the end of the day, spent 8 billion. Now something has happened. I want to ask the Attorney General, why is he? Because this is the evidence. In the report, and this is what they showed us. Now, she report in the finding of procurement, the equipment are ECG procure under Afric Marking under another pre. Now, so check a report now. You see down there, 2024. I the red line afano. Almost say year 2024 value of planned procurement. 2024 answer on befra bamuno omuka say the 1.3 billion equipment ama ECG. Now ND at the end of the day procure nyoma 8.3 billion. Now this was the part of the reason why the energy minister Eka say investigations should be opened into ECG. It wasn't just about the missing containers. It was about the leadership at ECG. How they arrived at 8 billion. Abra na almost say procurement plans na 1.3 billion. There was a difference of 6.8 billion. How did we get to 6.8 billion? So the energy minister was asking, John Abujinapo a committee to look into the matters. Now, who was the board chair of this ECG? The board in 2024, it was Afenyo Makin. Another Umpre was there. And the other guy, Olidi Parliament. These were the people who were leading ECG board. Habib Idrisu, right now, or a deputy minority whip, chief whip. Another Umpre, or a minority chief whip. And Afenyo Makin, or a minority leader. These were the three people who were handling ECG. How did we say we have planned procurement, which is 1.3 billion in 2024? How did we end up paying 8.3 billion? What caused the 8 billion? Now, the question I'm asking the Attorney General is simple. Attorney General, let me play a Dubik Mahama video in intro. Then I'll ask the Attorney General some simple questions. And it's Dubik Mahama. Ghana for Butan said, where are the containers? Because you are the boss of ECG. Where are the containers? He insisted that the containers were at the port because they know what they do. Because that is their strategy of making money.
Let me reiterate this. A container cannot get missing. A container can only get misplaced or lost at sea. So there are laid down processes in every port worldwide. All I'm trying to say to you is that we need to have a diligent search, and everybody needs to assist in this. I haven't left this country. I am here. I want to assist because those containers contain critical materials that we need to intensify the network of ECG and also expand the work that the ECG is doing. To say almost it's not only an indictment. It's not only an indictment on ECG. There are 3 state institutions involved here. Let's not drop the ball at one doorstep and say, okay, this is where it sits and that is the end of it. No, not at all. If the containers had been delivered to ECG's warehouse, and then you find those same containers out there in the field, because, yes. Let me reiterate this. A container.
So you see, he was telling Ghanaians to say the containers are at the port. We need to do a serious search. Why was he saying that? He knew, say, containers no the bar. No much shada hankasa ediamo omwankasa shipping companies or port war. Because Omeka just say, oh, one shipping company cannot take all the 2,000 into no much split ya momo. Into omo chema omo companies now, then they go there, they'll go and take 20. Into omo way 200, omo man ko 100. Omo man ko 10. Obe check it not 10 say 3,000 containers are. Ubo so obe checks no na 3,000 no 1,500. But on paper, no, ECG is keeping 3,000 containers at the port. It determined not to joy catch say, oh, the containers at the port, we should do a serious check. No? He knew that when we do serious search and check, we will find that any containers na can in an ira. Omo yibi, but a bi But he could not tell us to say the container near so because the moment he does the pointing or he shows us specifically who are holding the containers at the port, we will know, say, those are the places they went to steal the containers. That is why they were quick to say, aha, when we say, MPP for your container, the containers are still lost. Now, investigations are still ongoing. I want to ask the Attorney General a question. Attorney General, this is very simple, respectful question I'm asking you. Afenyo Makin was the board of ECG. They told us we were going to procure a year equipment 1 billion. In 2024, they ended up procuring 8 billion. Why haven't you called Afenyo Makin? Why haven't you called Afenyo Makin to call him to interrogate him? Why haven't you called Anodompre, who used to be part of the board, to interrogate him? Why haven't you called Dubik? Why haven't you called these 3 people? I am asking the Attorney General a simple question. Why is Afenyo Makin? Why hasn't he been called? Because if investigations have been opened, why haven't they been called? Because what I know, the Energy Ministry, they don't have the powers to prosecute or call people and investigate them. The Energy Ministry can tell you that they have found this, investigate it. Now, why is it said, the Attorney General, Mr. Ayeni, you are not interested in calling Afenyo Makin, who was the board chair when this issue happened? Because it was under his watch. And Omuka said, Omuko procure equipment worth 1 billion, but they ended up procuring 8 billion. So I'm asking you, Attorney General, why haven't you called Afenyo Makin? Why haven't you called Anodompre? Why haven't you called Habib Idrisu? Why haven't you taken their statements? Why haven't you made them understand that their statement is needed in these investigations? Because you're very, very involved in this scam we are talking about. It is Afenyomakin, Anodompre, and Habib Idrisu. The reason why I'm asking this is we have intercepted a letter the energy minister, the ministry wrote to you that the investigations needs to be done. They don't have the powers to investigate. So, Mr. Ayeni, this is the letter. Let me read the letter to you. This is a letter the Energy Ministry wrote to the Attorney General. And my question to the Attorney General is, why have you not called Afenyomakin? Why have you not officially sent Afenyomakin to, invited Afenyomakin to come for interrogation? Because as we speak today, Afenyomakin is the culprit here. Ordinary criminal, no? He was the board chair. Are you playing some games? Are you trying to favor some of your friends? Are you trying to cover up some things for some people? These are simple questions I'm asking. Because from the letter the Energy Ministry sent to you, it was clear. And this letter was sent on the 2nd of April, 2025. We are in May. Why haven't you called Afenyomakin, Attorney General? We are talking about 1.1 billion to 8 billion. Investigations are still ongoing. But from the 2nd of April to May, almost the end of May, you have not questioned Afenyomakin on this criminality. You have not questioned Anodompre on this criminality. You have not questioned Idrisu on this criminality. Why have you refused to call Afenyomakin? Because from my checks, you have not called Afenyomakin to interrogate him on this matter. This is the letter that was brought to you, Attorney General. Show us something. Tell us the reason. Because Professor Emil Kumfi, he was the board chair of GIF when the SkyTrain issue happened. You have been able to drag a Kumfi to the courts. We want you to apply the same thing. Because Afenyomakin was the board chair of ECG, and investigations clearly shows that the board chair needs to answer questions. So what to be the Professor Emil Kumfi Abejina court, Senate or your board chair? Why are you refusing to bring Afenyomakin in? Why are you refusing to bring Anodompre in? Why are you refusing to bring Idris in? Are you hiding something from us? We want to know. Tell us the reason why the board chair Afenyomakin has not been invited, has not been interrogated. You people need to ask him serious questions because the board, at the end of the day, they sanctioned for this to be done. Afenyomakin led the board to allow 8 billion to be spent. So Afenyomakin needs to come and answer questions. Let me read the letter to you. Now, request for review of the report on the investigation into the Electricity Company of Ghana, ECG's container held up at the Tema Port. And this letter was written to the Attorney General from the Ministry of Energy. You can see on the top, the Honorable Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Office of the Attorney General, and Ministry of Justice, Main Ministries Area, Accra. Now, I'm reading letter now, Entro. Letter and this letter was written from the Energy Ministry. Mr. John Jenapo, he wrote it to the Attorney General. Till date, the Attorney General has not taken any action on this matter. 8 billion. Procurement was supposed to be 1 billion. It turned out to be 8 billion, a difference of 6.3 billion. Afenyomakin is still working. You have not called him. Mr. Ayeni, what is the problem? What is happening? Are you playing some friendship game here? Are you trying to cover up for some people? These are simple questions I'm asking out of respect. This is what the letter says. It says, I refer to the attached report of the technical committee constituted by the Ministry of Energy and Green Transition to conduct investigations into the status of the estimated 2,500 containers of ECG at the Tema Port. Now, the finalization of the investigation of the committee revealed that 1,357 of these containers could not be accounted for, thus allegedly missing. Following the committee's report, when the committee did the investigations, they came to that realization that the board, instead of spending 1 billion to procure equipment or whatever for ECG, they ended up procuring 8 billion. So the containers, including the procurement process, is all part of the investigations. The container is one part of the investigations. Now we need to know the procurement part of the investigations. We want to know the committee report, the procurement part, which is the procurement part, which moved from 1 billion to 8 billion, it is also part of the committee's report. Why are you not touching that one? Into read or saying, following the committee's report, the ministry has requested the National Investigations Bureau to commence investigations into the missing containers and has also engaged the national security to secure the retrieved containers at the port pending the ongoing joint audits and investigations. Pursuant to the above, the ministry kindly request your outfit to conduct thorough. See the last sentence, another last paragraph. Or say, pursuant to the above, the ministry kindly. So pursuant to the above, the ministry is referring to the committee's report, and whatever is in the report needs to be investigated. It's not just the container. It is about the procurement breaches. So pursuant to the above, the ministry kindly requests your outfit to conduct a thorough review of the findings of the investigative report. The findings of the investigative report. It goes on to say this and advise the ministry on the approach on the appropriate legal action to be taken. I count on your usual support. Please accept the assurances of my highest consideration. John Abu Jinapo. And then he CC'd the Deputy Minister, Ministry of Energy and Green Transition. Who did he CC again? He CC'd everybody. So I'm asking the Attorney General. Attorney General, the committee report, it has the container part to investigate, and it also has the procurement breaches part to investigate. Why haven't you called Afenyomakin? Why haven't you called Anodompre? Why haven't you called Idris? Why have you decided not to touch on the procurement breaches? Because from the document I'm showing Ghanaians now, the committee report and clearly states here that in the year 2024, the government, MPP government, the ECG board, led by Afenyomakin, Anodompre, and the Idris guy, who are all parliamentarians with you in parliament, they said the value of planned procurement amuka somewhere in 2024 1 billion, 1.3 billion. That is the amount they said we're going to spend. They have done all their checks, they have added their shipping costs, they have checked all the prices of all the goods. They came to that conclusion, said Omobe cry nyoma 1.3 billion. Before they left power in December, they had procured 8.2 billion. Almost the 6.8 billion in the account. Attorney General, why are you not interested in calling the board chair to ask him, Afenyomakin, this is a criminal investigation, and you, as the board chair, you need to answer questions, because at the end of the day, wait to me the Professor Ekumfiako Jina court, because now you're board chair or gift, then you should be able to call Afenyomakin in to answer questions. As simple as that. We are not done with this subject. I'll come back to you, Attorney General. You need to give us answers this week. If you have called people to investigate or interrogate them, tell us. Come and brief us. So far, the committee report, the procurement part, come and brief us. Don't hide anything from us. We want you to call the people involved. Afenyomakin was the board chair. I don't care whether he's your friend. I don't care your relationship with him. I don't care your relationship with Anodompre. What we are asking is the ECG board, led by Afenyomakin, Anodompre, Idris, they made sure the procurement issues, the procurement they did in 2024, they said they were going to spend 1.3 billion. They ended up spending 8.3 billion. Tell us, call them, ask them, why 8.3 billion? I'm going to come back to this matter, Attorney General. Respectfully, I want you to speak on this matter. You and your deputy, speak on this matter. I know investigations are still ongoing. Let us know how far with our investigations, who you have interviewed. Ghanaians will be happy to know that the board chair has been interviewed. Ghanaians will be happy to know that the deputy minority leader has been interviewed. And the minority leader, Afenyo, has been interviewed. This is a criminal case. This is not civil. This is criminal. I'll be back. Now, let's look at this story. It's exactly 6:31. Good timing. This is an interesting story. And Adole, Adole. I had the former Chief Justice. Yeah, Nyomabi. Now, before I talk about Adole, let me show you one story. Adole is the lawyer, Godfrey Dame. Godfrey Dame said, do you know, sir, Godfrey Dame, on the Madame Adole, Araba Torkonu, the former Chief Justice, on the lawyer. Makache Godfrey Dame said, he should quit trying to fight his seniors. Sorry, Thaddeus, sorry, them, they are your seniors. Quit fighting them. Dedicate your time to help people with disability. They need more lawyers to speak for them. Now, Godfrey Dame Ababontina Beka Semia Chere, or say, Andrea Nana, the client, the former Chief Justice, Gertrude Torkonu, she was screaming all over the place, say, her fundamental human right, it has been breached. Sebio, amanphobia tating or committee, na say, adentra, or say, male security persons were made to scan, and yes, search you, were not made to conduct physical touch search you, or say, Adikudientia Adole, Araba Torkonu, former Chief Justice. Adikudientia America said the fundamental rights. Yet the fan who didn't say, or say EOCO committee, no. What happened was that male security men use a scanner to scan her body. Onkuta fe and the fan who fe or say an unquanti ya infringing on the right. So yet the fan who did so. Era de Yagopo. They say among us have a problem. They say, wo damn no client no. When you abrewa would defraud no. Meboa. Governor, when you abrewa and would defraud no. Omo catch say now some of the reasons omo man and say one oba Torkonu aka Osnomame stroke Adole or say ono EOCO committee hearing no yama bema ene de fefe machine na ya de fa hu say fefe no so on tiase madam and the we catch say court case ba court na say bema case yama oba nkwantena so na say bema case ba yama oba case ba yama oba nkwantena so inti court na wote no sana wote wona wote bema case so. Look at some of the nonsense excuses they are giving and wasting our money. The second reason I'll say yet the father who dear son and say or say na anko person you kunu edinechi na oko committee no ekotena committee nenim na ya mpene mani kunu anko tena committee nenim if you say committee ni say ade na omo ye no it should be held in secrecy to protect you the Chief Justice and also to protect the judiciary. Now I want to ask a simple question. The whole thing is Torkonu ura inside now continue committee anymore. Because this matter is a sensitive matter, you are going to take an oath. You are going to take an oath. So we dear trokra with jail. Now, when you go into the room to meet the committee, so who could do a chair? Your husband cannot be forced to take an oath because at the end of the day, it does not bind him. Now, whatever he hears at the committee, whatever rule that was set there, the oath you took, emrana a bon who buy a committee na say, Senebeya wo Araba Torkonu upia on fraff in your mark and can't say, when you catch them in Tikokan. Because you know, says Elikia who get Torkonu, you go to jail. Now the problem you say, we did not allow her husband to follow her inside. Your husband should not be allowed because when your husband enter the room, he will come out and gossip. He is not the subject. He goes in without taking an oath. Your husband can come out and lie to Ghanaians and cause a lot of chaos and misunderstanding and misinformation and disinformation. So the committee being intelligent than you and your lawyer, they said they needed you and your lawyer because you are going to take an oath. And your lawyer too is also under oath. So whatever leaves that premises, you people will be held accountable. And nintina omama ukunu na amba because the probability say ukunu ebetrasia obekwa kodi concern is high. Into until say yama ukunu enwurem. Into anu nintina EOCO court. That is the reason why Adole is going to court. You are not serious. They don't have any excuse again. From the beginning, John Mahama Penasem, from the beginning, NDC for Besobino. Oma your excuses in Manesi and the Wabetra committee de Dima or Sian police senior or Bema and a machine fan who to on Tiasie. Hey, almighty Torkonu. Almighty Gertrude. And then the police, the faith found one, also a bearman to Tiasia, women lives matter. And then they were realizing. In Tiasia, Almighty Torkonu, member police form for faith and found who she said, oh, the bomb bar. In Tianunti, a theatre of found who did so. Inti Mammy Church, the Munchre, a year PZ4. Obian Tiatia, a year Torkonu found who did so. Also, a committee name no, on per se, or bar, Berma, Eddie machine, Befano, who say, Ebia, Sekai and what call what a year, Omo Mohona, also on Tiasia said, Berman, the Kuta machine, or the Afano, Berman answer so the move. Obian fan in Sa Anshanata demo. Omo the machine, the fan, okay, fin, also on TV da or court. O we no say, Yamani couldn't dinechi, a wurem. Into on Tiasia, ye theatre the fad, who dear. I don't talk on we are virgin, Anna. Ah, talk on we are virgin. Obian Kebuda. I didn't know so about my dear found. We are virgin, Anna. Obian Bomu, and I'm crying adopted. Unya virgin, the problem, man. Oh, Inti, pizza to four. Yamami, no, it's not a year, Madame Torkonu say, you teacher found with you, send my church in Machono. Nikunu end to me, Rahobi. If we say, Constitution is say, Adiano, Yan in secrecy. Constitution as I can or see to me for camera and cohort. Yen ye di constitution so. Say Madame Torkonu Rema, I was say or J a Bible no din see. Say Asama, Omobeka was some or the Pia Bontinia or Betmako defiase. Nikunu Obian to me shall say on din see. Into Nikunu bet me tea no Akokana Bontina be say Ghana for Agene. And Nintina a committee na manikunu room. Into Obian Titi and found with you so on cano correct. Only say Ghana for MPP for Agene or form. And now, Wama sa a man we are. He needs to go represent people with disability in Ghana. Godfrey Damino. He's making Godfrey Dame the black-faced liar to come and throw dust into your eyes. Now, so ku anima Chief Justice no. Or say, wachira koma Attorney General say Attorney General. Me pese ni menimu ya assembly ya committee ni famra camera so. Torkonu utimu ya ude. Beste alewa shawoto. Madam Torkonu, ebia o black and white alewa ebi sha otu ntama otu ni utimu ya ode. Into unam Ghana I say wan kwa obi anka wa asem ohun. I say Torkonu utimu ya ode dodo. I say when je ohun I say alewa sha otu. Into bia na I say ohun ya ode utimu ya ode. Let them do this for me. Hey. Maintain your level Adule. Now EC the Attorney General has responded to the former Chief Justice. AG responds to Gertrude Torkonu's suit for a waiver of an in-camera hearing. Insists it is a constitutional command aimed at safeguarding not only the Chief Justice but the entire judiciary and therefore cannot be waived. Chief Justice Torkono Attorney General saw the court to say, partner, any interview no amba camera muno and I am here no TV so on tiasie. And Attorney General said, Chief Justice, Madam, a woman say would alewa oto ama utima ya ode oto ya ode into na mana sheki sheku. But constitution in edi ejuma Ghana, the sense of entitlement na ewo utimu no, it cannot change or you cannot force us to change the constitution. The Attorney General is working within the constitution. The agencies or the committee or the president and the Council of State, they all went by the constitution. So we cannot bend the constitution for you to fuck it. Inti Attorney General Kacha Madam Torkonu say, alewa de tia oto ena ama oto aya ode ama utimu so aya ode na enya wunti ena sebio constitution no ye bebu ni kom mana favor because constitution can clear say adie we edisi aye no camera adie we o say aye no eye de epunechi se ne be ya yengu aye judiciary nanim ase na yengu wankasa wo so anim ase into constitution ankasa e bo ho ban endi sa oto ya oda pia bontene de go fe oto na bebi a committee ni won de alewa na esha oto no katwom na tie questions na ma answers wedwa abrantie okay kan sem o emu odin de onhwe akọ and another colleague who is a classmate or a judge or Ghana, a former judge, let me put it that way, or say the CJ was pregnant during her undergrad studies at the University of Ghana. So she was divergent a long time ago. I don't think a message I'm reading here, I don't agree with it. Message I'm kind of say Judge bi o ne Madam Torkonu ko school e o Legon no si o Torkonu o Legon no o ye ne undergrad onyeme ye Inti mean to mean say Madam Torkonu a virgin. You divergenize no at Legon. Where a message. And I'm not saying say we agree with the message. I am passing on a message. The law is the law.
Simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as President of a panel of the Supreme Court has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. And the only answer one can give to all the hand-waving is the legal answer, unless we want something else.
Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 no what's up, 145 you Fuslam, Lugumayum. Everybody, someone you're about why you're. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, or yes, to budget. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 no what's up, 145 you Fuslam, Lugumayum. Everybody, someone you're about why you're. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, or yes, to budget. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 no what's up, 145 you Fuslam, Lugumayum. Everybody, someone you're about why you're. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, or yes, to budget.
Simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as President of a panel of the Supreme Court has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law. And the only answer one can give to all the hand-waving is the legal answer, unless we want something else.
Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 no what's up, 145 you Fuslam, Lugumayum. Everybody, someone you're about why you're. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, or yes, to budget. Amen. Ghana lawyers, so you're 50, 1 no what's up, 145 you Fuslam, Lugumayum. Everybody, someone you're about why you're. Amen. Council, come on. Number 1 tap, or yes, to budget. Amen. Ghana lawyers.
All right, Ghana lawyers, once a million, we crom fantini, or your software, no old jum. Ghana lawyers, womu. 90% or you used to you Fuslam. All right, now there are a few stories we all say I can't want some. Story way a very, very important. Yes, Chairman Wontumi, they have rushed him to the hospital. Obwa. Wontumi because the end do. Chairman Wontumi said the on that EOCO into a yare, you have to go hospital. They say I rushed to the hospital. Kwasiatu. The Bema had left. Then I had left. Now Juni had left. Abofunu also royare inti breaking news Chairman Wontumi high or tete also royare inti afa no to hospital momoni 2020 we get momoni lagatin no wu Chairman Wontumi de kwa momoni lagatin pa preko de adibi no wu fam we kuni pod Galamsey asedi pa inti Chairman Wontumi say yes thank you Kwansma told me Kwansma so dey update pa o Kwansma say, Chairman Wontumi breaking news now. Mr. P, Mr. S, get me the story, please. Chairman Wontumi say, Oyari gidi. Into your rush, Chairman Wontumi. Your rush, Chairman Wontumi gidi. I don't call a hospital. I didn't say Chairman Wontumi say, Obre, Oyari, Oboa. Okwa, Obama wana lagatin. Obeduna so, Odampane swa, nurse for Mofa Shupane, Winim Shupane. The other pamon po one shoe no. Or down on customer body injection, no more you shoot pan, and one or two. Or yeah, number a crab, number shit trim. Or your boy, number the hammer, mother one as soon, not so another boha. Or as a woo, number tam a woma, the chair. Number your body chip pow. Or as a boy, number the air the bansere, and not baranzu. Number the sanity. As he, number the social guruso. Osaka said up the Sansuna Kahon, or we are about to to the movie. I'll go about Java would be and yet to grow her. Yeah,
I say, or Mamu Scassa Munja demonstration session. So or sip almost market a pa, but beyond this for be a more tattoo. Mamu Scassa Munja demonstration session. So or sip almost market a pa, but beyond this for be a more tattoo. And a man, toi, a white toe, say up toi, gendo, a yajuma, yapino, a bunny kiss to better bed for ticket the boat, a bunny kiss to better bed for ticket the boat, a bunny kiss to better bed for ticket the boat, my waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe, my waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe, hey, a bunny kiss to better bed for ticket the boat, the better bed, a bunny kiss for ticket the boat, doctor, I am sick. The doctor very quick to put the big ability for ticket the bone.
Monfa abonike obedawa nurse for no monti abonike. Chema wutu bedawa nurse for no monti abonike. Wada no monfa the twase yai abonike montu bebe ne hu nyina be monma na abonike abuofunu. Idia ya ga idia ya. Chema wutu so yare oboa. So oba hospital wa nurse for no monfa abonike mfa ne to ase moti abonike di se ya na oda ho ye buehi ena mi bro mo de ba kofa ne to ase na be afa no matuom na be afa ni ase but Jimmy Koko EOCO na koda inti chama Wontumi this song from Air Boys to Men is dedicated to Air Chama Wontumi abonike dompe Air Chama Wontumi nurse for no
and man toi obato say ya toi gendo ayajuma ya bilo abonike to better bed for ticket the boat abonike to better bed for ticket the boat abonike to better bed for ticket the boat my waist my backbone my knees my toe my waist my backbone my knees my toe hey abonike to better bed for ticket the boat better bed abonike for ticket the boat doctor I am sick. Got the doctor very quick to put the big abonike for ticket the boat.